In every classroom, young learners embark on an exciting journey, the journey of reading. Some students may struggle with letter sounds, while others decode words but miss the meaning. How can we make this experience engaging, meaningful, and effective for all children? That's where playful learning makes a difference. In this tutorial, we will discover how to create literacy-rich environments that foster early reading and writing skills. We will learn how to use playful learning strategies like games, storytelling, and interactive activities to boost phonemic awareness and fluency. And we will also discover how to support reading comprehension by helping children connect words to meaning through discussion, visuals, and real-life experiences. Let's all together turn reading struggles into reading success, one playful strategy at a time. Join us on April 14.